In this WordPress tutorial, I will show you how to hide the admin toolbar from the top of the page, which is essentially visible whenever you're logged into your WordPress account. So first of all, log into WordPress dashboard through your admin account, then hover on the name at the top right corner and click on Edit Profile. Then right in the middle, you should see settings for toolbar and simply uncheck this box, show toolbar when viewing site. And then scroll down and update profile. And right now, if I were to refresh the page, you'll notice that the toolbar will no longer be visible. Here you go. It's no longer visible. And you can actually do the same thing for other users in your WordPress. For example, let me go to users section and click on all users. As you can see, currently I made change to admin profile, but I have another user, which is Nick. So let me go ahead and click on edit. And also disable toolbar for that profile like this, and let's update user. So if I were to, for example, log in using the Nick profile, I wouldn't see the toolbar at the top of the page. So I hope you found this WordPress tutorial useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.